for watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. Jack Scalfani here, a lot going on in the show. I'm getting better day by day. Thank you so much for the well wishes. A lot of you are asking me about the Jack Pack. I don't know if you guys remember the Rat Pack with Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, all that. The Jack Pack is an idea I came up with. A bunch of food creators were talking. We were all discussing how hard the fight is for anybody starting today. Some of the smaller channels. Nobody helped me with a leg up. So I thought, why don't we give back? Why don't we help each other? Why don't I talk about everyday barbecue or ballistic barbecue? Why don't I not shout out people who are just getting started? So I'm going to be starting to do that. We're going to help each other, and we're going to mention a channel we like. It's not just going to be anybody. It's going to be a food channel we like that needs a leg up. It's all about giving back. It's all about helping them, marketing, merchandise, help the little guys. And if the big guys can't do it, then who can? So I started the Jack Pack. I had a barrier to entry. You had to have so many subscribers or so many followers or so many friends. And I thought, no, that defeats the purpose of doing it. So the next day I yanked that all. So if you're a food content creator, I want you to be a part of the Jack Pack. Alright? We got merchandise, we got hats, we got shirts, we got jackets, and we're going to include a lot of people who know what they're talking about. We're going to have discussions. So I've spent enough time on that. I'll be giving you more details as it develops. It's a brand new idea. I'm really excited about it. I've spent a lot of time developing it, and now we're doing it. So I think tomorrow at noon, I work with somebody who, one-on-one. The little guy starting out, I'm going to call him, and I'm going to give him some advice. Give him a few steps to take him to the next level. So I couldn't be more excited. Giving back is what I want to do. So anyway, just want to say this video is brought to you by All American Water. That's who does all the water in my home, the last home, this home, and I haven't had kidney stones since. So I stick with them. I highly recommend them. You guys need to clean your water and get the crap out of your water. All American Water. Alright, so where are we going? Oh, this is a special episode. It's the first time I think I've ever done 2 recipes in one video. You guys are getting a twofer. So get ready. We're going to start by making ice cream bread. It's going to be awesome. Why am I doing 2 in this video? They both are really short, so I might as well give them to both of you in one video. I'm kind of excited. I love trying new things. Come on in close. Okay now, when I mean it's going to be a short video, it's going to be real short. These are all the ingredients. Self-rising flour, birthday cake ice cream, birthday sprinkles. Alright, before we get started, go to your oven, preheat it at 350 because this is going to be 2 seconds. Literally. Okay. Your ice cream, 2 cups. There we go. Your flour, 1.5. Now, don't mix this too hard. Just mix it until the flour is incorporated all into the ice cream. Once you see it gone, stop. And then let's go get a bread pan. So let's start mixing right now. The recipe didn't say when to put the sprinkles on. I'm going to do it when it comes out of the oven. But we put everything in. It's in a bread pan. We're going to take it 30, 35, 40 minutes, kind of do the toothpick test. When it's done baking, bring it back here. We'll take a look at it. And then we'll sprinkle it and we'll try it out. Alright guys, that's in the oven. It's called ice cream bread. We're ready for the second recipe, which we're going to pop in the oven. Okay, yellow cake mix, unsalted butter, apple pie filling. That's it. Another short one. It's called an apple dump cake, basically. So let's get it started. Alright, so I know it's called a 3-ingredient apple dump cake, but we're not going to dump it. We're going to gently layer it, okay? So the first layer we're going to do is the pie filling. Get that all out. There we go. Get the second one out. Go ahead and evenly spread that out.
Yep.
I think it all looks good. So grab the cake mix. It's a little high. Be real careful. And you're going to sprinkle this evenly across the pan. Just grab all your butter, thinly sliced, and take the cubes, spread them around, spread the love. Alright, so we got all our butter spread out, so it was layered. Apple pie filling, yellow cake box, in square slices of butter. So you're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. We're going to pop this in with the other dessert because they're both at 350, and we'll start a new timer just for this. Alright, this is done. We're just letting it cool. It looks beautiful. Toothpick came out nice and clean. So that means the bread is done. So now we're just going to wait a few minutes and then we'll cut into this. So here it is. Birthday cake, ice cream bread. It's done. We popped it in the freezer to get a little firmness because as we tried to pull it out, it tried to fall apart. I didn't want that. Kind of collapsed a little bit in the center, but let's give this a cut and take a look at it. Oh my gosh. It's blue. It's blue bread. How cool. I can't believe this. It's blue. What does it taste like? I have never heard of ice cream bread till yesterday. I wrote the recipe down, so let's give this a try and see what ice cream bread tastes like. For me, it's okay. It's really good though. The more you chew into it, the creamier it gets. It's a crazy consistency. Give it a try. What is it, like 2 ingredients? Try it out. I'm sure you got it. Alright guys, so we're going to cut into this bad boy. See what it looks like. Here we go. Yep, it's all cool. A little bit of ice cream. Yeah, that's way better. Once again, the bread wasn't bad. It was good. This is great. And the ice cream is just starting to melt on it. So anyway, there you go. 2 recipes, enjoy. Make whichever one appeals to you. Let me know how it is. I love you guys, and I'll see you later.